Hey guys, it's SY2000 here again, and today I'm back with another unboxing. Finally, after 3 months, I'm starting to make videos again. My excuse is that I was still serving the army.
When I will grow up, I will be an army.
But now I'm free, so expect more videos from me. So by the title you can tell, it's gonna be the AUTOart signature Aventador LP700-4, and the color is my favorite color, so I can't wait to unbox it. Let's go. So of course, with the AUTOart signature, it comes with a pamphlet, Lamborghini logo. So taking a look inside, these are the parts of the model, and then you have the details of all the parts that are featured. Alright, next we got the instructions. So how do you not screw up the freaking model like me, cause I'm an idiot. I always use the glass last time.
You stupid.
But yeah, please don't do that. And then of course with the signature you get a COA certificate
That you had.
of authenticity 0939, not a really nice number. So let's take a look at the model. Damn son. Damn! My favorite lime green, or they call it Verda Itacha. Damn. Through my phone it kind of looks more neonish green, like neon darker green. But in real life I can promise you this is a lighter, more grassy green. Hold up. Let me on my light. Is this better? Damn. Alright, let's take these screws off. Now that all the screws are removed, you can get the model out of the car. You can get the car out of the box. But first, I'm gonna put on some gloves because men's a professional.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now.
Alright, now that the car is out of the box, let's take a closer look. From the front, you got your standard Aventador front. No pegs. It's not a budget model. It's expensive. We got a Lamborghini badge. I think it's a sticker, I can't really tell, but it's quite deep. It's like engraved into the metal. You got headlights, the LEDs, nicely painted. Got some nicely crafted plastic pieces that fits well with the metal parts. No gaps, like you'll get at a budget model. Can you see that the vents are see-through? There's a silver metal piece inside. The vents have holes, so they're not just one big plastic piece. Nice touch. Let's take a look at the bonnet. Just like all AUTOart models, it's the hinge system. It's a very high quality, well replicated part. You don't get the budget metal pieces where they just swing open like that. Really nice mechanism. You got the trunk that is nicely fitted with some carpeting, as you can tell. Nice texture. Now let's move on to the side. Got the signal lights. As usual, the wheels move and roll smoothly through the brake calipers. So the brake disc and the brake calipers are not one piece. Lamborghini badge on the brake calipers. Same as for the rear wheels. The brake disc moves through the brake calipers. Really nice touch from AUTOart. Okay, so if I remember correctly, this is a Generation 2 model. This is the second release from AUTOart, and the difference is that the brake calipers are in the same colorway as the main body, which I really love. It gives a more aggressive look to the car, and yeah, it's a totally different vibe, man. The original first release is the brake the black brake calipers, and I was like, nah, it's just meh. Now my brown tabletop doesn't really reflect light into the wheels, so you can't really see. It's like very black, but dude, in real life, bam.
Oh, bop, bada bop, boom, pow.
Alright, the vents at the side. You got sticker, the LP700-4 sticker, metal sticker. And if you can see, the vents, they are not a plastic piece as well. There are metal parts inside and you can see through them. So you got signal lights here as well. And let's move on to the interior. Okay, so the door better work, man. I didn't open this for 4 years now. Bruh. No. One tap.
Kukri style.
At least there's some sort of spring system left. There's still some hope. Okay, so the right side is still working well. So from the interior, you got your standard Aventador interior. If you own Aventador models before, it's all the same. Whether it's the Spider version or the new Aventador S, it's all pretty much the same. Nice dashboard. You can see the orange trim. You can see the Lamborghini logo on the dashboard. All the buttons are nicely replicated as well, nicely painted. And you can see that the seats and the flooring, it's kind of a replication of leather, and it kind of feels like that as well. There's some sort of resistance to it if you touch it. And there's some carpeting at the sides. So from the driver's side, got the gauges, the clutch pedals, the gear shifts. Alright, let's head on to the engine bay. There's a nice clear glass protecting it, and I'm going to use my trusty AUTOart key, or whatever you call it. Underneath, you can see the V12. Can you see the emblem V12? And there's a nice carbon fiber pattern. It's nicely replicated in the middle of the engine block. Sadly, the springs doesn't seem like they work, or at least they're very stiff. Can't really tell. You can see the hinge mechanism over here. So when I move it up and down, you can see there's a hydraulic sort of system. It's not just those budget models where they have those metal pieces that swings. Very nicely detailed. Underneath the mesh, you can see the engine it goes quite deep. From the top, you can look straight down. We have a clearer view. And you can see me. Psych. Okay. So as for the spoilers, you can just lift it up by pulling it up. I usually like to leave it like that. It looks quite sick, but you can also pull it out to the back. This is how it looks like with the full model. Quite aggressive, not bad. You got the Lamborghini Patch in metal, but it looks a bit slanted. I don't think I'm gonna touch it. I think it might fall off anytime. You got the quad exhaust, quadruple. Nicely replicated taillights with no packs again. Nice touch from AUTOart. Once again, the rear has these mesh vents, see-through vents. Exhausts are plated in chrome. And underneath the model, it's just the standard AUTOart with the serial number on it, 0939 AUTOart. Alright, so that's my unboxing of this Lamborghini Aventador LP700-4 in Verda Itacha green. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more videos to come, because man, it's finally free, and I'll promise to make more in my free time. And if you guys enjoyed, please consider liking the video, commenting, and subscribing, because I need subscribers. Come on, give me some juicy subscribers and likes. Thank you.